So in as far as the COA is concerned, ang position ng COA still is the rules under the Joint Circular number 2015-01 was violated as well. And I believe that these are significant, at least for the purpose of determination of probable cause.
Ayon kay House Justice Committee Chairperson at Batangas 2nd District Representative Jerby Luistro, mahalaga ang findings na ito ng COA sa pagtukoy ng probable cause sa alegasyong pagsira sa tiwala ng publiko ni VP Duterte dahil sa maling paggamit ng pondo.
Well, it supports the allegation of misuse of confidential fund, at least in as far as the Commission on Audit is concerned.
Para naman kay House Justice Committee member at Bicol Zero Party List Representative Terry Didon, nagpapakita ito ng pattern ng irregularidad.
So, ang nakikita ko natin dito talagang ito po ay pattern ng confidential funds misuse, no? Kasi ang atin naman pong tansya, they won't be able to justify. If they weren't able to justify it the first time, I'm quite certain they won't able to justify it the second time.